Hey everybody, today I'm at Home Depot here in the East Valley, Crisman and Southern. I came out looking for palm trees, so let's see what they have. Generally, Home Depot has nice palm trees, but honestly, I'm a little disappointed. There just isn't a whole lot of variety today. You're mostly seeing the same few types over and over. And that's pretty typical, but you'd expect them to be a little bigger, a little more lush. But if you're just looking for something basic, you might find something. But overall, not a lot to choose from. So I figured let's head over to Lowe's on Higley in the 60 and see if what they have is any better. All right, now I'm over here at Lowe's, and right away you can see there's just a lot more going on here. A lot more variety, bigger plants, and overall everything just looks a lot healthier. They even had 19-gallon queen palms for $79. Manager special. Regular price was around $150, and these had a really nice thick base. This isn't just about one store. It's about seeing what's out there, who's got what, and bringing you along with me. So I hope you're enjoying these kind of videos. While I was here, I took a look around and picked up this Croton on clearance. Lowe's is really good with deals like that. So on this day, honestly, there really wasn't much comparison. Lowe's had the better garden center and definitely the better palm trees. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll keep showing you what I find out here. So where are we going next? Hopefully somewhere near you. Follow along as the story grows. I'll see you soon.